Welcome to our deep dive into DJI's latest innovation, the DJI Flip. This drone has been the subject of leaks and speculation ever since whispers began circulating in July 2024. While many dismissed it as a prototype or a project stuck in development, the story has taken an exciting turn this week. The DJI Flip appeared in the FCC database, bringing with it a treasure trove of details and fresh videos. What's even more intriguing is how this drone positions itself in the market with cutting-edge design and advanced functionality. The DJI Flip stands out with its compact yet robust design, optimized for portability and performance. Unlike the DJI Neo, which was praised for its size but lacked certain premium features, the Flip incorporates advanced folding duct propellers. For those unfamiliar, an FCC filing is often the final clue that a product is nearing its official release. The Flip's recent appearance in these records hints that DJI is ready to bring this product to market soon. Typically, DJI products launch within 2 months of their FCC filing, meaning we could see the Flip hit shelves as early as this fall, thanks to its foldable propellers and lightweight frame. The DJI Flip is one of the most travel-friendly drones on the market. It's perfect for vloggers, travelers, and hobbyists looking for a high-performance device that doesn't weigh them down. The inclusion of a 2- or a 3-axis gimbal means smoother, more professional footage, even in challenging flight conditions. Whether you're capturing landscapes or action shots, the Flip delivers cinematic quality. Although details are scarce, the rumored FPV mode would position the Flip as a versatile option for both traditional photography and immersive drone racing experiences. The DJI Flip's leak specs are promising. Foldable duct propellers, ultra-compact and portable design. Removable battery, swappable top-mounted battery for extended use. Gimbal stabilization, professional-grade 2- or 3-axis stabilization. Durable build, designed for rugged use without compromising portability. FCC compliance indicates readiness for a global release. DJI has maintained a timeline of launching products within 30 to 60 days after an FCC filing. If this pattern holds, the Flip could be officially unveiled in October or November 2024. Some speculate a price range of $500 to $800. Stay tuned for more updates, as we'll cover every leak and announcement leading up to the Flip's release. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our in-depth coverage of this exciting new drone.